everyone, my name is Paula and this is my colleague John, and we are the teaching team behind the Introduction to TESOL course. In this video, you'll get to know us a little bit more and also discover the exciting things that you will engage in with throughout this course. So as I mentioned before, I'm Paula. I'm an associate lecturer at the International Education Institute at the University of St Andrews, and my career includes a little bit of teaching English for academic purposes, teaching English for general purposes, and a little bit of teacher training. I'm very excited to be part of the team and helping you in this initial journey to teaching English as a foreign language. John?
Hi, I'm John and I'm also an associate lecturer at the University of St Andrews. I've been teaching for quite a long time now and worked in various universities teaching general English but also EAP and IELTS, and have also been involved in teacher training as well, and also looking forward to being part of this project.
So we're very excited that you've enrolled in this course, and we kind of want to take this opportunity to help you think a little bit more about the areas that you will be exploring. So as you know, this is an introduction, so we are taking nothing for granted and will be slowly helping you develop the necessary skills to support learning in the English as a foreign language classroom. So the kind of activities that you will be covering in this course will help you develop the necessary skills to support learning and teaching in the English as a foreign language classroom. You're going to be watching some short videos where we'll be unpicking key concepts, supported by comprehension questions, readings, a little bit of a treasure hunt where you'll be supported by us, but also exploring where to find the essential information to help you develop your own teaching practice. We're going to be relying on looped input, which will be modeling good practice of teaching and learning so that you can then reflect on that experience and incorporate it into your own sessions. We are very keen on practice, I would say. And we're going to give you the opportunity to develop your own lesson plan and your own activities, and you will have the support of your peers and our guidance throughout this process. You think I'm missing anything?
No, I think, and we'll be going through the course based around the four skills, the four key skills of listening, reading, writing and speaking. It's kind of organised around those elements.
Yeah, so we hope this gives you a little bit of grounding and sense as you are developing your own understanding on how to help those learners develop those key skills. I think something that's important as well is that we want our learners to use the language. So, as we've said, we're very excited to have you here, and we hope that you make the most of this course by engaging on the collaborative tasks and completing the exit tickets activities that will help you ground your practice in strong theoretical principles. We are here if you have any questions throughout your journey, and we're looking forward to getting to know you a bit better.